What's good, everyone? A little stuffy. Welcome to the live stream today. It's Friday. It's Fresh Cash Friday. It's your boy, Jose. Ready to dive into the markets and stack some profits in the first hour of trading. We're breaking down the charts, spotting the best setups, and making moves to pay. Drop a like, hit the subscribe, and let's go. Let's make some money together. Market opened. We did have a little full flag play. Let's see. All right, we're just going to wait. There's nothing. Let the market just fluctuate. Let's go, Keegan. Whoa. Market selling off. Making lower highs at the top. That's what I like to see. We're going to draw the trend line off of this. Just targeting 50% of the fibs for retracement. We're going to continue to go lower here. Let's check the chat. You watch TJR? I've watched him, but yeah, I've watched him. The reviewers in the chat, what's up? What's good? It's Fresh Cash Friday. I'm going to make some profits in the first hour of market open. Still just waiting. We need some momentum here. Momentum is a break out of structure towards the upside or downside. 50 to 100 points, sub 150 to 200 ticks. Copy trading 150K on 100K accounts. Damn, need some more caffeine. Copy trading 150K accounts with Apex. Just one. Copy trading all of them with Trade Sinker. Tradeovate's connection just doesn't allow multiple bracket orders at the same time, so it's harder to set stop losses without being them so tight. Like Tradeovate's kind of like hard to copy trade, but it's still copy trading through Tradeovate on Trade Sinker. We did have a bull flag here. Could go for some buys. Aiming 580s. $9.45 is going to tell us the play of the day. Could break out of this bull flag. Just these bear traps just keep hitting. Yeah, we're just still waiting here. Tap that like button. Man, who's the other viewer? Next week we're gonna have Easter style background. Add some shit to it. Alright, we might have some momentum here starting. Stops too tight. We'll take it. Small scalps. I'm gonna wait 5 more minutes for a better entry. Excuse. Skills. Those are small fucking scalps, though. Fucking 146. So fucking almost 100 points, bro. Those were 100 ticks, 50 points. We're trading one mini. Could bump it up to 2 to 3 minis. Seeing how the volume plays out today. Big pullback down. I would like re-entries off trend line to see how they respect it. 945 coming to play out. I want to fucking draw like a fucking mad dog on you, you know? We have this trend line forming. We have 4 candlesticks that touched it. One more can be up 389. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna put some buy limits here at 395, 385. Have our stops right below that at 371. Oh, fuck, dude. Missed our entry. It's okay. Damn. 100 ticks just right there. How long did it take for you to figure out the right time to enter? That's around loss. So it's either you can do market orders, like I did right there, a break off of a trend line. You want momentum and volume. Most volume is going to happen at New York. Obviously, the market's open all day, except from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. But you want volume to be able to have momentum to be trading, so your trade can actually move up or down. And you want a better risk. Like I said, this is the trend line that we were going. Man, this was the trend line we were going down, and then it broke off the trend line. I had a 100 tick trade, but I wanted 945 confirmation. Man, I need some food. Shit. Break off of the trend line was beautiful though, bull flag. It took me approximately 6 months, but like you're gonna fluctuate, like seeing different entry points. Like I had a beautiful entry, took profit up 350 on 5 accounts. I could call it a day, but I've only been on stream for 15 minutes. I'm gonna call it 1 hour. We're gonna call it 2 more trades, 3 trades today, possibly. And my face wasn't even in this trade. I didn't even call anything. It's just a bull flag. I hurried up and entered. This is momentum though. Like you want to. People like to say buy low, sell high. Yeah, but it's all momentum because psychology plays a big fact in the role. Like You can't be up $500 and then back down -200. You're gonna be like, fuck, you know. You want to be like straight profit. That's how I play. And a lot of profitable traders that I know that have like 8 to 10 years experience all play the same: bull flags, momentum. This is how the hedge funds trade. They play bull flags. It's kind of chilly. Bull flag is playing out though. These bulls are gonna be strong. Like 590 tapped. Man, you see what I'm telling you? Usually, I would be holding still. I'm on live stream right now. It's a little bit more difficult for me first week, but we're going to get better. Still same strategy I use. Going in my 5th year of trading, this will never end. It's just up from here. Bought at 389. It's at 593 right now. That's a 200 point fucking move to the upside. Yo. Sometimes you just gotta trust your fucking balls. Sometimes you just gotta have big balls on stream, you know? Shit. Great fucking move on NQ right now. We're gonna get more people in this stream. We got another trade at 10 to 10, 15 to 10:30. I promise. Could be selling off right here at this pivot point, or even at this pivot. Yeah, no, we could be selling off at any pivot point right here, and we couldn't even make it to 700 because this is a big move right here, guys. It's a big fucking move, and I caught it live. 200 points. So we could be selling off any minute, kind of overextending. We do have fair value gaps down here. Fair value gaps. Get this shit. Top of the morning. Hey, I can't complain, dude. 1,500. I used to make that shit in a week. Shit, 2 weeks sometimes. We could be hitting any pivot point in about 10 minutes. But let me get some people up in here. Michael. Shit. Yeah, we're hitting a pivot point right now, like I fucking said. Over trading, I mean, over sizing plays a big role into it. So let me show you the difference between, and if you know the difference between minis and micros, that's the big difference too. So you want to be trading micros right now in this market, unless you have some good fucking skills at exiting. Holy shit. Alright, we just wait. Could have a 10 a.m. reversal. So much harder on my computer, I swear, because of my fingers. On my phone, I can just so much fucking easier. Kind of respecting this fucking breakout of the 400s. We'll see. Could have a big 1,000 point sell off day. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Trump did put a 90-day hold on tariffs, which means market is very bullish right now. Very bullish. Ain't top of the morning. Top of the morning. Should have fucking held that shit. Would have fucking held that shit if I was on some micros. Just trust my balls. Nah. Might have to hit some cells right here. Oh yeah, we're in on cells. We're gonna move our stops to 640. Oh, took a loss on that one. 600. Alrighty. Fuck, dude. Might stab at another short here in a minute. Depending on the entry. Fuck, dude. Bra-ta-ta-ta. I do see a pullback. What a better entry. That was a 40-point move. Yeah, yeah. Sup, chat? Trading Million Club. Yes, sir. Caught this bull flag break out of structure, but I don't know why the hell we were stabbing at some shorts right here because we were hitting some pivot points, some lower highs. Still do see a pullback. It just all depends how we react right now. We're gonna stab right now. We're gonna put our stops at. I did. This market is so fucking volatile right now. It is like we might have to go to minis. Yeah, yeah. All right, we're in on shorts. The fuck was he doing? 30 ticks, 36, 50 ticks. Approaching 50 ticks, 130 ticks. We're gonna call that 115 ticks. That was a fucking gamble. It's because we took a fucking loss. I had to get it back. Might have to wait till 10, 15. Holy shit. Might go to micros. I mean minis. That shit. Still selling off here. I liked that pivot point because we had some lower highs here at 700 during London session. Asian session, we made some highs. I'd like a pull back before we extend to the upside. We do have 10 o'clock news. We do have 10 o'clock news. 1 minute approaching. US 30. Yeah, all indices are right now at a great pivot point. Lower highs. I do see a massive fucking sell off possibly at 10 a.m. We do have 1 minute. We have 38 seconds before news. Yes, US 30 is similar. Nasdaq is just a lot cleaner, in my opinion, during the New York session. A lot fucking cleaner with price action. Like we caught sales. Shit. Here we're gonna dive in. Need a snack. Let's go. 10 a.m. or news today. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. That fucking candle's coming. Should we throw it in there? Should we throw one in there? It might be biased. Up at 540 right now. 50-point move to the upside. Inflation. Inflation has. They're trying to say inflation says 6.7. Fuck. What the fuck? We're selling off. Be ready. Sells. We're gonna stab at them. We're gonna stab at them. We're fucking stabbing at them. Stops right above here. We're gonna put our. We need more profits. Fuck that. Fuck a 1-to-1. Need 2-to-1. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 115 ticks. Again. Hey. Selling off still. Up 1100 on this one account times that by 5K day again. Might call it a day, but shit, still selling off. Gotta get better on the stream. Might have to hit the gym before stream. Switch the routine up next week. Gym before stream. Get more lit. Because we usually hit the gym after stream, after trading around lunchtime. 12 o'clock. Great exit. Great exit. Bulls are still active with this news. But I do see a big ass fucking candlestick just wiping out all this liquidity to the downside. How much bread are you putting in per trade? I'm usually risking 500 per trade. That trade I risked a little bit over. It was 800. I was trying to get it at 1-to-1, but we still made profit. Still going down. Trying to get more confident on stream for sure. Got a 200-point move on the upside, only to secure 70. And then, like I said, we're going down right now. I closed, man. Futures, I might have to go to micros. I'm gonna go to minis for y'all. So I can keep fucking holding, bro, because this shit. Holy shit. I'd like another entry point. For sure. If we could just pull back to 1800s for the low of the day, it'd be solid, but might add here. Adding. Man, stops it. Break. Leaves us at 5 fucking buttos. Gotta be smarter, Birdie. Alright, we're just gonna chill out and just sit back and just fucking about it. Because we gave a little profit back. Fucking hey. A lot, but we'll get it back. For now, we'll call it a little day. Oh no, man. We should just fucking take a rate or two. We're down 160 now. Fuck minis. Let me go. Fuck minis. It's gonna take too big of a hit. $9.45 candles could play out still, man. For the play and the range of the day. But we have fucking hella fucking move to the upside. It all just depends, man. Let me delete this shit. It kind of looks fucking junky. We broke out a trim. We're at 570s again. Out of that trade for 1400. Again, man, take profit did hit. Might call it a day. It was a quiet trade right there. What the fuck? We had to lock in. Let's check our P&L. We back up. We back up. 700. Okay, 700 times that by 5. Let's check that shit. 733 times that by 5. We're up 3.6 for the day. Okay. Copy trading 5 accounts. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe. If we have any questions in the chat, let's get funky. Funky, funky. Yes, Apex. Apex. Kind of a big price point at the moment. I wouldn't recommend to have YouTube, but usually they run 80 to 90% off discount. Usually they run an 80 to 90% discount code. So evals usually run from 30 to $40, and activation fees 125, and they allow up to 20 accounts live. You can have up to 40 to 60 cushion accounts, meaning once you file the live accounts, for example, if you file 5, you can add the cushion accounts. You can only have 20 live accounts and have 20 payouts at like weekly basis. They allow 8 trading days for your payout on your live account. And then the 125 PA activation fee is going to be a lifetime fee, or you can do a cheaper one to 95 to $100, but it's going to be a monthly fee, depending on how you approach challenges and how long you can hold them for. It's good. I do the lifetime fee because I can usually hold them for 1 to 2 months. Um, but yeah, I'm on 550K accounts right now with Apex. I got them at a good price point with $33.80. It was an 80% sale a couple weeks ago. Should be running another one soon. Anytime you check out, just use code JPH and you'll save always. Anytime they're running the same discount, I get the same discount. Code JPH. I'm going to call it a small day for sure. 3.4 on the day, 700. But it was a profitable week. Profitable week, win on all Monday through Friday. That's what I like to see. I didn't overtrade any day. Nothing. We did catch a couple trades during Asian session, but we called them during out on our Twitter. Follow our X at the bottom. I usually have some viewers after. So if you're watching this, tune in to next week's live stream. Should do twice a week on Monday and Tuesday. We're looking at twice a week on Monday and Tuesday. Monday, it's going to be 9:30, and then a PM session looking around power hour around 12 to 2 p.m. Keegan asked the question earlier, how much bread are you putting in per trade? Usually I'm risking 500 to get 5 to 1,000. Sometimes it's 500 to 1,500. So that's a 3 to 1. So I can lose 2 trades, 3 trades back to back, and I'll still be able to be profitable with a 3 to 1. Sometimes I go for 1 to 1 depending on how many minis I use. And like 4 to 5, I sometimes go aggressive, but that's only true. Try to pass evals because I like to pass evals in a day. Sometimes I've gotten some screen records of me passing multiple evals. They're on my TikTok. Pretty easy to pass evals and just wait for the right setup. You can pass an eval right here. You can pass an eval right here. You can pass an eval right here. On my cells are still playing. Next week we should be holding a little longer. I'm gonna be more confident into my trades. It's just I'm on 5 funded 150K accounts. I'm aiming for my payout. It's gonna be a 16K payout. Just need 6 more trading days because I gotta follow my consistency rule. Paper bonds and Apex. So they offer weekly payouts, kind of like 8 trading days. So bi-weekly. You do have to follow a consistency rule, but once you get to your 6th payout, you can withdraw the whole balance. So if you have a balance of up to 50,000 to 60, they will allow you to withdraw that whole 50 to 60 on your 6th payout. It's just following the consistency rule. Makes you a better trader. Learning how to risk and not over risk. Cells are still playing out. Double top. Beautiful, beautiful. Break off of this. It's beautiful. We're going lower. My goodness, there we go. That's the candlestick we've been waiting for. My biggest month from Apex has only been 8K. Copy trading 50K accounts. I got to 4. I just learned how to copy trade all the accounts at the same time. Not even, I would say, 3 months ago. I'm trying to aim for bigger accounts so I can get to the 6th payout and get like, milk them. I'm trying to milk them. There's people that have gotten $1 million payouts. This is the only firm that has paid out $1 million payouts to singular payouts. Bears are still playing. If you caught the sell, you're up over 200 points right now. That's over 700 ticks. Usually swing trade Dow Jones on my live account. I usually like to catch the low of the year if it's possible. I'm trying to do that at the moment, or the high of the year for a month or 2. That's what I like to do on my live account, and it's going to be commodities. It's how I first got started was Forex and commodities, the CFTCs, and Dow Jones. I used to trade Dow Jones for 3 years. I switched over to Nasdaq a couple of years ago. Same price action, just a lot cleaner. If you can tell, break off this trend line. We've had no momentum to the upside, just straight down. Should have entered, but we called it a day. We're gonna stay self disciplined. We took too many trades. Took 6 to fucking 5. I wanted to take 3, but market chopped us at our stop loss. But we up for the day. Shit, we call it a day. New week next week. I'm trying to just build my real estate portfolio. Really, I don't really like long term investing into portfolio anymore because I'm trying to have higher returns. Portfolios, for example, for 4 years in a stock portfolio, your average is going to be 40%, and then the people that actually find some real good investments, it's going to be over 100 to 200%. I can 1,000 to 2,000% my investment with trading, and then be cushioned up with assets. Like, no, trading's crazy, bro. 12K weeks, like, market is still selling off. We can dive in a little deeper because I did say I like to catch the low of the year. The low right now of the Nasdaq is at 16,486. We did touch that approximately not too. Oh no, that was last year. Sorry about that, guys. 2023. We're pretty low right now. Anything below 1780 is a good buy. So my wallet is ready to buy. Just gotta put the entries in. Just got a little small wallet ready, 3 to 4K, ready to buy at like 17,500. Anything below, I'm gonna low risk and then average dollar cost in, because that's always nice to play out. I can never hold for a very long time, but we wind up holding for a good return. Will we have a 1030 reversal? Possibly. Possibly. Hell yeah. I'll for sure hit you up, bro. Could possibly have a 1030 reversal. Should have held our trade a little longer. Got in some sells for 200 points, but we got a 70 point to the upside live. So be all right. It'll be all right. Like, subscribe, show me some support, promotions. Should be doing a couple streams with a couple traders here in a few. Just working on the gigs. It's the weekend. Just got to get ready for next week. Same week, same concept. Small base hits. We're not going to go for the 1,000 on the account. We're going to just sit settled on the 700. All right. See you guys next time. Like, subscribe, tune in.